Okay, so I found the RunCam 5 on Amazon recently, and I posted a question to my community page, the community section on my YouTube channel. I got a few responses, but I didn't get a really good answer as to whether or not some of the Amazon warranties would be usable for this. And by the way, I know I haven't done my review for the RunCam 5 yet. 5-second review here. I think the camera's good, but I have some issues with this particular camera getting more jello than, say, the Hero Session 5 that I normally use. So I'm still investigating that. So that's why that video is not out yet. So that's why I'm waiting to post that video. But anyway, I found the RunCam 5 on Amazon. It's obviously more than $99. It's $126 on here. Obviously, it's a third-party seller. And I wanted to know if I could use one of the other warranty providers that are on Amazon, like SquareTrade, for example. If you bought the warranty for that price, it would be $21.49, 2-year warranty through SquareTrade, or Asurion is the other vendor in the same price range, 2-year warranty at $15.99. And as I was doing the research for this, I found out that the GoPro Hero5 Session, in terms of like being refurbished or renewed in this case, is only $159 here. So, you know, and it looks like if you scroll down, it does have the option to add the 2-year protection plan. This is the Asurion version. And so normally, you know, if the camera is covered under warranty, they obviously give you this option, and you know that there's no question about that. But on the RunCam, there's no option here for that. But you can still obviously just go to the warranty page, or I'm sorry, the warranty product item here, and just buy a warranty without the camera being part of it. It's not tied to any camera, as you can see here. So I got some mixed answers as to whether you could do that, but I wanted to make a video and get more opinions as to whether or not this is actually possible. Because if you can buy the RunCam 5 and then just buy the warranty for $16, it's not too bad. If you break it, you can get another one. But then I ran across the GoPro Hero5 Session. Yeah, you can get this one and then pick up the same 2-year warranty, and it's not much more. And obviously the GoPro Hero 5 is better than the RunCam 5. Anyway, let me know down in the comments below if you've done the camera warranty purchase in this sort of similar situation where it wasn't offered here on the actual camera product page itself, we just bought it separately. And if you had a warranty issue and had to claim a warranty, did you have any issues claiming the warranty? That's ultimately what I want to know, because I know that eventually all the Hero 5s in the world are going to die at some point, and you're not going to be able to find these on Amazon or anywhere. And cameras like the RunCam 5 are going to be our only alternative at some point in the future. Not now, obviously, but at some point. It would be good to know if this is something that we can use, you know, buy the RunCam 5 here, or perhaps somewhere else, and then buy the warranty on Amazon to protect the camera in case it dies from a crash. Anyway, guys, that's the point of this video. Hopefully you guys can help me out. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.